Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide or private your friends list on Facebook. So from here, you want to go to the menu, which is on the bottom right corner, and then just scroll down until you see these settings and privacy. Click that drop down and you will see these settings. Click that again. And then from here, you want to go to the privacy checkup right there. Just click it and then click on the who can see what you share. And then from there, just hit the continue. And then under the friends and following, where it says the who can see your friends list on your profile, make sure that is set on only me, so it's really hidden, or completely on private. And then that is all you need and you're pretty much good to go. But to exit this page, just click on the next button, just skip through all of these, and then there you go, you're all set. That is all for this tutorial. I hope that helps. Thank you.